If you've been sending hundreds of DMs daily trying to get a model to work with your agency, then this video is for you, because in about 60 seconds flat, I'm going to explain how you can easily get models to come to you and apply to your agency. And the hardest thing that you're going to have to do is just sort out which models you want to work with from the models that you don't want to work with. Now, first you're going to need to set up an agency website, and then in that agency website, you're going to have an application. Make that the first and foremost. Just make that the thing that they see first, all right? It just has to be, it can be anything. It's just a model application. It just gets sent to you. You just get the model to fill out whatever. In terms of details, doesn't really matter. Just make an application, all right? Then secondly, you're going to make a YouTube channel, and you're going to just give out information and talk about how to grow an OnlyFans account. Because what's going to happen is girls are going to go to YouTube, look up how to get subs, how to get traffic, how to sell more, whatever, you know, any problems they're having. They're going to go on YouTube looking for answers. They're going to find you, and you're going to be sitting there like a G. Tell them exactly how to do it, and the model's going to see that and go, oh fuck, he knows what he's doing. And then they're going to scroll down, and you're going to have a little link there saying, if you're looking for an agency, just apply here. And they're going to go, wow, I've just found all these videos looking how to grow my own OnlyFans account, or this guy is telling me that he can do it for me. He looks cool. I'll click on that, and as soon as they click on that, it's going to take them straight to the application that I just showed you. All right, now the questions that you ask, it doesn't really matter. That's just the icing on the cake. The main thing is that you have an application. Now, you're probably saying to me, yeah, starting a YouTube channel is hard. Look, this is the first video that I made probably a couple of years ago. It is just absolute dog shit. Look at that. To be fair, my videos aren't much better now, but fuck, it works, so who gives a shit? Yeah, see, it's all like, the microphone sounds shit. I'm just sitting there with a whiteboard in my old apartment. But the point is that models see your content and they go, he knows what he's talking about. That is the only thing that matters. Now, the other thing that matters, which just contradicts what I just said, the other thing that matters is, unlike what you see all these people talking about, if you try and act like a top G in your videos, says me sitting there with sunnies on, if you try and act like a top G in your videos, girls that are looking for an agency or a manager are going to get put off by it. That type of persona may work in the clubs on girls trying to get a girl home with you, but in terms of getting them to want to work for you, that whole top G persona is just going to put them right off. Now, what helps with me is that I don't have the deep Marilyn Manson voice, and I don't try and act like anyone I'm not. I just speak honestly, and I also speak in detail, so it's not generic. So as long as you copy those things, then girls will see your videos and want to work with you. But if you try and act like a top G, or you're trying to act like someone you're not, or you're speaking very vaguely, then girls are not going to want to work with you after watching your content. So right now, do that. Now, the next thing you're going to say to me is, where do I get ideas? Fuck, just go on my YouTube channel, look at the videos I made, and just make another video about it. Easy. But just make sure you got the agency website sorted, mainly just the model application, and then you just simply tuck that under your videos. Now, this is working so well for us that we're having to turn models away daily, and I haven't updated this website in like 2 years, and it is just looking more and more outdated, but it's because it works. So why fucking change it? So anyway, yeah, look, that's pretty much it. And then it's just got a model application. All that matters is the model application. That's it. You can host it on another web. It looks better if you got an agency website, just in case they want to scroll around. But anyway, point is, there's a saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And this site's getting more and more outdated, but it ain't broke. It's working, and working too well, actually. So why fix it? All right. Anyway, that's it. Now, as usual, if you like my videos and you don't think I'm full of shit, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. And if you want to learn more about how to grow your own agency and generate unlimited traffic to your models' OnlyFans accounts, then join my school community. Link is underneath all the videos that I just told you to watch. All right. You find me, 100 of us in there. But anyway, as usual, if you like the video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.